What's up, everybody? Sensei Vegan here. Thank you all for joining me on this fine day. I am back. I had a little rocky start for 2018, came down with a nasty bug, but I am back. My body is strong and it fought it off. So what is on the menu today? I'm going to show y'all how to make 10 G's. You heard it right. I'm going to show y'all how to make 10 G's. Now let's get with these ingredients. Walk right over here. Let's roll. Come on. Let's roll. I'm revved up today. All right. I'm going to show y'all how to make 10 G's. We're going to get with these, as I said before, these ingredients. So here we go. Now, you can mix and match any type of fruit. You can use fresh fruit. You can use frozen fruit. I'm rolling with frozen fruit today because fruit season is not really in right now. As soon as the summer hits, that's when you get the best fruit up here. I'm in New York City / New Jersey. New York City, excuse me. That's where I spend most of my time. But anyway, that's beside the point. So we're going to roll with some pineapple. This is a pineapple mix here. A mixed fruit mix. Mixed fruit mix. Anyway, we have pineapple, strawberry, mango, and peaches in here. And then we have a berry medley. A medley. Okay, we got whole strawberries, blackberries, blueberries, and raspberries. We're going to roll with that. Some sweet dark cherries. Okay. And I have some frozen bananas here. And these I just cut up. And we put them in the freezer so they wouldn't go bad. You can use the fresh ones, or I'm going to use this, these frozen ones. And got some coconut water. Okay? Now, if you don't have coconut water or you don't have any of these ingredients, you can always make substitutions. So let's get to rocking and rolling. All right? So first thing we're going to do, make sure your blender is off. I always tell people, look, it's electronic equipment. You don't know if this stuff is going to switch on by itself. You never know. So don't be putting your fingers in there when you have it plugged in. You don't want any extra ingredients inside your smoothie. Okay? So let's get started making this 10 G's. All right. So first thing is, part of my back, we're going to throw in this coconut water first. Throw this whole thing in. I hope everyone is having an excellent day today. And you can make as much or as little as you want. It doesn't matter. I always tell people you make it your own. We'll slide this to the side. And we're going to go with these bananas first. Okay, these frozen bananas are going in like this. That's simple. Okay. Sweet dark cherries are going in. Make sure they're all, they're all in there. So we took the sweet dark cherries. And now we're going to rock and rizzy roll with this pineapple mixed fruit medley. Just like that. Okay. My voice is squeaking. Okay, hear that? So, boom. That's done. Slide it to the side. And now we're going to go with the berry medley. Okay, just like that. I'm sorry, I forgot. I'm so hyped up, man. This is really, I'm getting back into the swing of doing the videos, and I'm a little bit off, but we're going to keep it going. I forgot 2 ingredients. We're going to throw a plantain and some bitter melon, all right? Be careful with the bitter melon. Doesn't take very much. A little goes a long way. This goes right in. Ta-da! Just like that. Then we're going to take this sweet plantain. Now, people have seen me do this before, and I got some questions on it. What you going to take and put a plantain in your smoothie for? Because it's good. That's why, because it's good. All right? Don't knock it till you try it. So, look at that, grab the fork. So now we're going to cut this plantain up and put it inside, just like this. Just cut both ends off. That simple. Tuck your effing fingers in when you're cutting stuff, please. I see people always cutting on YouTube and different videos, and they got their fingers all spread out. Next thing you know, they're winding up in the ER because they're cutting the tips of their fingers off. Okay? Be careful. Score it like that. It's that simple. Look at that. Boom. Just take it right out the skin or the peel and throw it down in there like that. A little full, but we're going to make this work. I'm telling you, man, these things. Hot dog! These things are sweet, man. I'm telling y'all. I keep telling people, the more fresh fruit, vegetables you get in your diet, the better off you're going to be. Get your grains in there. Cut down. Like, a lot of people don't have the discipline to go vegan. Let's just be completely honest. They don't have the discipline. But the less animal products you eat, meat, dairy, all that crap, the better off you're going to be. I'm telling you, you're going to look better. You're going to feel better. You're going to rid your body of a lot of the ailments that you have. That's the best advice I can give everybody for 2018. Go plant-based. I'm telling you. You'll hate me at first, but you'll love me later. All right. So we're just going to keep this stuff off to the side. I'm going to pop this lid on. And then we're going to add the magic ingredient last. The essence of this 10 G's will add last. Hey DJ, can I get some blended music, please? Now, the last thing we're going to add, and this is what makes this drink or smoothie 10 G's. We're going to add Bob's. I'm not sponsored by Bob's Red Mill, but you know what? The product's good. I give kudos to the product, and I make some pretty good stuff. So I'm using some 10 grain hot cereal, baby, and that's what the 10 G's stands for. This is some really good stuff. And it gives you all the fiber, all the iron that you need. I hear so many people always talking about, get your protein, get your protein. I don't hear them saying anything about getting your iron, not your iron, but getting your fiber. Most people, and excuse what I'm about to say, you have people, doing the number 2. You know what I mean by the number 2? Going to the bathroom like once a week. That's crazy, man. You should be doing number 2 at least 2 to 3 times a day. The reason is their body has no whole food, plant-based foods in it. It has no fiber in it. This stuff you need to start getting in. Get your fruits, get your vegetables. All right. So anyway, so what we'll do, we're going to go with a half a cup instead of a quarter, and it's going to double everything. So we'll get 12 grams of protein, right? And yeah, so 12 grams of protein, that's important, and the fiber will go up to 10 grams. So that's what we're going to add right now. Measure this off. Very simple. Just gonna pour it in. How hard is that? How hard is that? Ta-da! 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 It's done. Okay? It is all done. So, when we come back, and I know you'll be back, y'all know what time it is. You know what time it is. Come back. Welcome back. Thank y'all for coming back. Y'all know what time it is. But for all you rookies, noob jacks and noobs, it's taste test time. 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 Let's rock and freaking roll, baby. I'm telling y'all. Let's get this taste test underway. All right, so here we go. This is 10G smoothie right here. Smells delicious, baby. I'm telling y'all. Chiggy check, microphone check 1, Chiggy check, microphone check 2, Chiggy check, microphone check 3. It's the sounds of the notorious Sensei Vegan, G. I'm telling y'all, come on. Here we go. Pour this baby in here. Woo! Look at that. Boom! Shalaka laka boom! Okay? Yes! Alright. Woo! Let's do it. Woo! 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 I'm telling y'all, okay? This is fruity. It's nutritious. This is what you need to start your day, any time of day, morning time, noon time. I will watch drinking before bedtime because you'll be up all night because this thing will give you energy. Guys, ladies, gentlemen, kids, pets, who's ever watching, sub to the channel. I'm about to start smashing out videos like you wouldn't believe. I'm going to tell y'all again, thank you for joining me. Sensei Vegan, showing you guys how to make 10 Gs. Hello, good night.